Okay guys, I have already primed, done all my face stuff, and I'm just going to be doing the eyes today. So we're doing the sunset look that I did right here. Very fancy. What I'm going to be doing first is priming. So I'm going to be taking my NARS concealer in Chantilly, you already know. And please focus, there we go. I'm going to be taking this concealer. I'm almost out, like, ooh. First, what I'm going to be doing is going in the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette in this yellow shade right here, mixing the yellow shade and the one next to it. Figure out what I'm doing with my eye look. Like, he's like, how is the eye going? I'm like, on the, ooh. That's guy culture. Although I will say he does know. Okay. So next we're going to be taking our Eco Tools brush right here, the double-sided one. Double-sided brushes are really nice and convenient. So we're going to be taking this color in the Morphe Jaclyn palette right here. The one next to the very used orange one right here. We're going to be taking this one over here. Taking this color on the fluffy end of the brush. I'm going to be concentrating that not on the outer part, but more inner part of the crease, if you know what I mean. You're going to see, right? You know what I mean? After we blend, we go in back with the yellow-orange shade, and we blend that in the crease. Okay, next we're going to be taking this red shade that I've used a lot. You know what I'm talking about, this one right there. You already know what it is. We're going to be taking that on a fluffy brush and packing that on, not the more, right here on the outer crease. There you go. And taking this blending brush, we're going to be taking that yellow shade again and just blending in the crease, so all the colors can ombre together. We're going to be taking this L'Oreal Infallible Paints eyeliner in the aqua shade, and we're going to be doing a cut crease and filling it in on the middle. So here's how it goes. Okay guys, so once you draw your half moon shape with the eyeliner, you're going to go in with this turquoise shade by Jaclyn and taking a packing brush. I'm just going to be taking that and going over the eyeliner. Okay guys, so after you draw in the sun lines, you're going to want to put shimmer on it. So we're going to be taking that shimmer color and putting it on the moon shade, giving it like a turquoise highlight basically. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is just put on mascara, finish out the lips and eyebrows, and I'll be back. For the lips, I use the Fenty Beauty Universal Lip Balm, and I use the Kush mascara by Milk Makeup. And that is the look. So if you guys like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Got new videos every week. And I hope you like this new, more artsy look that I did. But yeah, like and subscribe and comment below if you like it. And all the stuff will be down below in the drop box. So thank you guys for watching, and bye!